Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Granite Sealer is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your kitchen or bathroom. Granite countertops are beautiful, but they're also porous and susceptible to stains and damage. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of granite sealers, exploring why they're essential, how to choose the right one, and how to apply it for maximum protection. Get ready to learn how to keep your granite looking its absolute best for years to come. Number 5. Lifeproof Ceramic Coating Spray Kit. Tired of scrubbing? This ceramic coating prevents stains, smudges, and buildup. It makes cleaning a breeze, protecting surfaces for months. Get that clean glass feeling. This product repels liquids and stains, keeping surfaces pristine. Remember, it's not for floors due to its slickness. Use it on almost any hard surface. Granite, stainless steel, glass, it works on many kitchen and bath materials. It's invisible and effective. Protect your home with peace of mind. This coating is non-toxic and has passed safety testing. It's safe for your family and surfaces. It's simple to apply. Just spray, buff with the included towel, and let it cure. You can remove it anytime with isopropyl alcohol. For best results, clean the surface first. What we like. This product makes cleaning a breeze. It prevents stains and smudges, so you can wipe away messes with ease. If you are looking for a product that simplifies your cleaning routine and keeps your surfaces looking pristine with minimal effort, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to apply. It works great. Seals the granite and protects it from stains. Number 4. Weiman 3-in-1 Granite and Stone Cleaner. This cleaner is designed to lift and remove dirt, grease, and watermarks. It restores a polished shine to your surfaces. The pH-balanced formula safely cleans without causing any damage. It features stain shield technology to defend surfaces against discoloration. Infused with silicones and wax, it creates a protective barrier. This ensures a smooth and lasting shine. This easy-to-use 3-in-1 formula cleans, polishes, and protects. It prevents stains and safeguards against surface damage. Simply spray, wipe, and buff for sparkling results. It brings out the natural beauty of your stone surfaces. The streak-free formula polishes dull surfaces, leaving a brilliant shine. It enhances their appearance and protects them. It's perfect for sealed stone surfaces like granite and marble. It's designed for countertops and tabletops. However, it's not for use on floors. The bundle includes 2 bottles of the cleaner and a reusable microfiber towel. This provides everything needed for streak-free cleaning, polishing, and protection. Get yours today. What we like. This product not only cleans but also protects your surfaces with its stain shield technology. It also enhances the natural beauty of your stone. If you like a product that restores shine and safeguards against discoloration, you should consider this. What people say. There are quite a few stone sealers in the market, but I like the heavier quality of the Weiman product. I recently used it to polish a granite stove backsplash, which was overdue for a good clean. The results were very pleasing. I will continue to use this product. Fantastic on granite and quartz countertops. We have incredibly hard water that stains everything. Spray and wipe with the cloth included takes all those stains out. I'm not sure if it's possible, it does seem to pull dirt out of both countertops. Definitely made out quartz much brighter, especially the lighter colored stone. This is a must-have if you want to protect your stone investment. The stain shield technology really helps prevent spills from soaking in, which gives me peace of mind with my light-colored countertops. It removes grease and stains effortlessly without any harsh chemical smell. It's gentle enough for daily use but powerful enough to keep everything sparkling. Number 3. Weiman Granite Daily Clean and Shine, 2-pack. This product is designed to safely clean, disinfect, and shine various surfaces. It is effective on granite, marble, and other similar materials. It will leave your surfaces looking clean and refreshed. The new formula kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. It eliminates bacteria on hard, non-porous surfaces within 10 minutes. This helps keep your home clean and healthy. It offers superior performance on multiple surfaces. You can use it on countertops, floors, and in bathrooms. This product is a versatile cleaning solution for your home. This cleaner is safe for non-porous sealed surfaces. It is suitable for use in kitchens, bathrooms, and other household areas. It will protect your surfaces while cleaning. This product cleans, shines, and disinfects all at once. It helps keep your home safe from harmful bacteria, germs, and dirt. Enjoy a clean and healthy living space. Weiman is a trusted cleaning brand for delicate surfaces. You can clean, protect, and enjoy your home with this product. It is a reliable choice for your cleaning needs. What we like. This product offers the added benefit of disinfecting, killing 99.9% of germs and bacteria. If you are looking for a product that keeps your home safe from harmful bacteria while cleaning and shining your surfaces, you should consider this. What people say. The sealer does an amazing job in getting in all the cracks and preventing any grime from getting in, and the cleaner shines them up nice without damaging the stone. The products are easy to use and do a great job removing everyday dirt, grease, and smudges without leaving streaks or residue. Seems to be working good. Shined up my countertops and has sealed them well. Number 2. Weiman Granite and Stone Cleaner and Sealer Kit. This cleaner kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. It eliminates bacteria on hard, non-porous surfaces in just 10 minutes. This spray is specially formulated to keep your surfaces clean and leave a streak-free shine. This product is designed for use on non-porous sealed surfaces. This includes granite, quartz, quartzite, marble, slate, and glazed tile. You can use it in your kitchen and bathroom. Keep your countertops looking new. Protect and seal them with this product. It helps maintain the beauty of your natural stone surfaces. Without proper cleaning and sealing, water and soil can damage the stone. This sealer provides a protective barrier. It helps repel water and soil, keeping your surfaces in top condition. The kit includes two 24-ounce sprays. One is for cleaning and shining, and the other is a sealer. Get both to keep your stone surfaces looking their best. What we like. This product not only cleans and disinfects but also includes a sealer to protect your stone surfaces. It provides a protective barrier against water and soil. If you want a product that offers both cleaning and long-term protection for your countertops, you should consider this. What people say. The sealer does an amazing job in getting in all the cracks and preventing any grime from getting in, and the cleaner shines them up nice without damaging the stone. The products are easy to use and do a great job removing everyday dirt, grease, and smudges without leaving streaks or residue. Seems to be working good. Shined up my countertops and has sealed them well. Number 1. Weiman Granite Daily Clean and Shine Refill 64 ounces. This specialized formula is designed for daily cleaning and polishing. It's perfect for natural stone surfaces, ensuring they are clean and sparkling. It safely removes grease, grime, watermarks, and stains. You won't have to worry about streaks, as it leaves surfaces looking pristine. The pH-balanced formula protects your stone seal. It prevents deterioration and discoloration, keeping your surfaces looking their best. This product adds depth to your stone surfaces. It reveals the beautiful natural veining and patterns, enhancing their appearance. Use it on granite, marble, soapstone, quartz, quartzite, slate, limestone, corian, laminate tile, and concrete. However, avoid using it on floors. What we like. This product is specifically designed for daily cleaning and polishing of natural stone surfaces. It removes stains without leaving streaks and enhances the natural beauty of your stone. If you like a product that adds depth and reveals the natural patterns in your stone surfaces, you should consider this. What people say. This product works great on my granite tiles. It leaves a nice sheen after. You spray it directly onto the granite and wipe clean. I use a microfiber cloth to wipe it off while polishing the tile. It is effective and protects well. It also has a mild clean smell. It works so well, that I use it every 2 weeks just to keep my tile shower clean and sparkling. I have a light-colored shower with light grout and want to keep it looking great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.